Now, Durasis can look into the photographs to understand the level of torture at page 22 onwards. The rule was inserted his back. Electric shock was given to his genital. I cannot explain the way the torture was made.
Tell me, he died in the hospital, you say?
Yes, in the private hospital.
Were you informed about the death on time? Was it videographed?
Well, the postmortem was videographed.
Who was present? Was any magistrate present?
TV of the police station is not available with us.
Why?
And
Why?
This will not come every day.
Why?
Every
Yes.
police station, whenever something happens, they will come and say,
One second.
Yes. Why?
Malad,
CCTV
Malad, the
footage?
recording device, the DVR was not functioning.
No.
The-
on second, this 21 years old Abu Siddiqui Haldar was taken to custody. There was no written complaint.
The petitioner is the father.
Father.
Hmm.
They started beating until next day he was not produced with the court. In the afternoon, on the third, in fact, we were forced to pay. This is not part of my complaint because it was made by his mother. But money was paid with the father to the police, 1,75,000 to ensure his bail. And accordingly, on the next day, he was produced to the court. He was released. And thereafter, he was admitted to the hospital.
Who admitted him?
This
Parents.
was the son. The son who was now died.
Who admitted him? The parents.
Parents.
Hmm.
Police did nothing. Now, I have before admission, we had a video recording to record every parts of his body. But we have annexed few of the photographs from that video recording. Now, Durasis can look into the photographs to understand the level of torture at page 22 onwards, 22, 23. The rule was inserted his back. Electric shock was given to his genital. I cannot explain the way the torture was made. Now all these things has to be looked into.
Over what issue?
The allegation of theft. Now there was no written complaint. According to the police, that one of my brother has made complaint. My uncle has made complaint. Uncle is with us. Uncle was also taken into custody with him. And the uncle was crying that leave him. He has not made any written complaint. In fact, he has not informed the police anything. There was a quarrel between the families. No written complaint was made. Whatever is there. Even I have murdered somebody.
When did the person die?
On 8th.
8th postmortem done?
That they have done postmortem. I want to know whether then video recording was done or not. Whether magistrate done was not in presence of the magistrate. And the second thing is
Tell me, he died in the hospital, you say?
Yes, in the private hospital. I moved 3 government hospital. They released ultimately. No treatment was done. Ultimately, he was admitted in the private hospital. There he died. Now,
What was the
no document
requirement?
was handed over to me by the private hospital. Nothing. I have no records except the handing over the body. That records. I have no other records. That is, the police has ensured that. Now, I have made complaint, and subsequently yesterday, police took petitioner into the Thana, and there is a written complaint made in same manner. It was written by us, narrating the incident, and it was. Now, the primary
What was
thing
the
is
requirement of the postmortem being made?
postmortem done by the police. That is their initiative. They have become proactive to do the postmortem. I was not even informed before postmortem. It was not done.
Were you informed about the death on time?
Yes, death on time. Yes, in hospital. Thereafter, police got information and take custody of the body and all the medical reports.
You did not inform the police
No,
about the death.
no. Before that, no. But there was chaos in public, certainly. Police informed about it and took custody of the body and postmortem done. I was not informed about before postmortem. Now,
What is
let
your
them
prayer
first inform your lordships whether postmortem was videographed in presence of them. This is a custodial torture and death. In presence of magistrate or not. If it is not done, then exhumation has to be done and postmortem has to be conducted because it has been buried. It was buried yesterday. That has to be done for further investigation. At whoever is instance, it has to be done because this evidence needs to be secured first.
The respondents?
Then I'll make the other submissions.
Other submission? Milord, he may complete.
No. First, these are the primary information I require. I don't have any records.
Right, PM report, Milord, we have not also received. Milord, probably we'll receive in course of the day.
Was it done?
PM has been done on the day itself, Milord, but we are
Right.
yet to receive the.
What was the requirement of the PM? Who informed you to conduct the postmortem?
Milord, there was a complaint, Milord, which is annexed to the writ petition by the mother, Milord.
Yes.
Your Lordship kindly take the last page of the writ petition.
Yes.
Then.
Was it videographed?
Milord, the postmortem was videographed.
Who was present? Was any magistrate present?
Milord, this happened, Milord, within the Kolkata police jurisdiction. So it has been done by the Kolkata police.
Yes.
And the FIR is by Milord, is under Sundarban police district, Milord. Because Milord, the complaint, if your Lordship find, is to the SP of Sundarban police district at page 26.
Yes.
And the PM is not by us. The body was taken to PM by the Kolkata police. That report is awaited, Milord. Once we get the report, Milord, I can come back with better
And you
particulars
say
with regard to that.
it was videographed.
It is videographed. That is my instructions.
All right. The diary is lodged. FIR is lodged when? On the 3rd
Third,
at
8 PM.
8 p.m. In between 8:30, such and
But
such.
the allegation was stealing
Offences.
gold ornaments and cash.
Occurrence is 1st of July.
Right. The uncle says that gold and cash was stolen from the uncle.
Page
He is
5.
taken into custody on 4th July, 3:45 AM and produced on the same day before the magistrate. Produced on the same day before the magistrate, where we had prayed for police custody. Bail was granted then and there. Page.
Listen, today, what can the court do? At best, direct the preservation of the CCTV
But
footages.
kindly hears me out on the facts, Milord. Kindly.
Why? What is the relief that can be granted today?
Milord, my understanding is that first of all, the PM is required.
Yes,
PM is required.
the report is required and all these things has to come. So,
And this is not a case where he will be cremated. The deceased will be cremated.
no, he has already been buried.
Fine.
Please come.
Which already reached.
The son of the
Well,
petitioner.
But I am not making any submission, Milord, with the presumption that your Lordship is not passing any interim order.
I'm not passing. Only for preservation of certain things. The CCTV footages, your PM report should come. The videograph of the
Milord,
PM.
CCTV of the police station is not available with us.
Why?
And Milord,
From will not done.
Why?
This will not done. Every day,
All right,
every
yes.
police station, whenever something happens, they will come and say,
One
no,
second.
Yes. Why is the
Milord,
CCTV
Milord, the
footages?
recording device, the DVR was not functioning.
No.
From 23rd onwards. 20
No.
কত তারিখ থেকে?
then SP needs to be
From
present
23rd,
before the court.
23rd onwards. And Milord, that is on record in another matter.
Right.
In another matter where it was sought for by the ACJM Kakdeep. We have put it on record on that day itself. That is on 26th. We have told the court that we are not having the CCTV and we are taking steps to mend the DVR recording device. And Milord, we have already mailed to Webel, and these are all before this FIR. It has nothing to do with this FIR. We had already mailed to Webel on 26th of June that this is our problem. Kindly send a technician. And we have also, Milord, approached the there was some local computer operator also who tried to look into the problem. Thereafter, we mailed to Able. And these are absolutely unrelated to this incident.
Milord, I ask myself how many dates they require to Milord, ensure Milord, to
On 3rd of July. Where the? It's not 3rd. He was taken in custody on the 2nd of July, where he is alleged to be brutally tortured by the police. Stop. He was released on bail on
4th July.
4th July 2024. Stop. The petitioner has averred in the writ petition that he had to secure a sum of rupees, not secure, he had to pay a sum of rupees 1,75,000 to the investigating officer to secure his bail.